Ready to turn your free time into cash? Let's dive in. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or make a full-time living, these tips will guide you through the best ways to earn money online in 2024. Hi, I'm your name, and after years of research, I've found the top 10 ways to make money online in 2024 that actually work. These methods are tried and tested, and they can help you achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. The first tip is to leverage freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. 1. These platforms are fantastic for offering skills like graphic design, writing, or video editing. Offer skills like graphic design, writing, or video editing. The demand for these services is high, and you can set your own rates. Make your profile shine with your best work and client reviews. A well-crafted profile can attract more clients and higher-paying projects. 2. Promote products you love and earn commissions. This is known as affiliate marketing. Start with platforms like Amazon Associates. It's that easy. You can also explore other affiliate programs that align with your interests. 3. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify are perfect for selling ebooks, templates, and printables. These digital products can generate passive income over time. Got a creative streak? This one's for you. Create unique digital products that cater to a specific audience. 1. Create engaging content on YouTube or TikTok. These platforms offer great opportunities for monetization. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merch. The more engaging your content, the more followers you'll attract, leading to higher earnings. Pro tip: tech, finance, or self-improvement niches pay more. Focus on these high-demand areas to maximize your revenue. 5. Use platforms like VIPKid or Preply to teach English or specialized skills like coding. These platforms connect you with students from around the world. Share your knowledge and get paid. Teaching online can be incredibly rewarding and flexible. 6. Set up a Shopify store with Oberlo. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Focus on trending products with low competition to maximize profits. Research is key to finding the right products to sell. 1. Sell your photos and videos on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. If you have a knack for photography or videography, this is a great way to monetize your skills. Sell your photos and videos on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. These platforms have a constant demand for high-quality content. Nature and business scenes are always in demand. Capture unique and high-quality images to stand out. 8. Invest in the stock market even if you're a beginner. Explore ETFs, crypto, or fractional stocks. These investment options can help you grow your wealth over time. Set clear financial goals and diversify for success. A diversified portfolio reduces risk and increases potential returns. 9. Pitch your skills to small businesses. Many small businesses need help with their online presence. Use free tools like Canva and Buffer to streamline the process. Businesses need your expertise. Offer services like social media management, content creation, and digital marketing. 1. Sign up on user testing and get paid for your feedback. Simple and effective. Companies value user feedback to improve their products. Sign up on user testing and get paid for your feedback. Simple and effective. Your insights can help shape the future of products and services. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Consistency is crucial for long-term success. Choose one tip today and take the first step. Starting is often the hardest part, but once you begin, you'll gain momentum. Comment below your favorite method and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips every week. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content. Let's make 2024 the year you boost your income, all from home. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals.